Welcome. This video clip is going to show you how to manage your files in your computer using your File Explorer. We have downloaded a number of files onto our drive by clicking on them in Moodle or by detaching them from emails. So when I go into File Manager at the bottom of my screen and open it, it looks quite like this. So File Manager has got two columns. The column on the left hand side is all the places that the files can be. So downloads is where all the files that you have downloaded have gone to. These are shortcuts to the common places that you go. The documents is where we put the files when we have them. If I go into documents, I can see when I click on documents on the left, I can see the folders that are inside there. The folder that I'm going to copy my documents into is in Teaching Resources. I have another folder called IT, and then I have a third folder called WP5. And now if you look along here, it tells me that I'm in Documents, and I'm in a folder called Teaching Resources within Documents, and within that there's another folder called IT, and within that there's another folder called WP5. So this tells me where I am in the computer and which file and folder I'm in. If I click down the bottom again, if I right click, it shows me the list of all the folders that I've been in. And if I click on downloads, it will open a second window. And this window is my downloads drive. And this holds all of the files that I've downloaded. So all the files I've downloaded today from Word, I'm going to copy them into this documents folder here. So here's the files that I've just downloaded. I can select a number of them by holding down my Shift key, clicking on the top one and then clicking on the bottom one. When I've selected the files that I want, I can drag them across to here and it says now move to WP5. If I let go of them here using the mouse, it will move all those files out of the downloads drive and into the WP5 directory. So if I click back to the downloads directory, they're all gone from there. Now I also want to copy this one, data entry, so I can click on it and move it over like this, or I can click on move to up here and choose the WP5 folder and it will move from downloads and into WP5. So there it is there. So that's moving files around from the downloads directory where it is dropped into another folder that we make. If I go back up, I can click on the up arrow and it will bring me back up. So this is the IT directory and this is the Teaching Resources directory. If you want to make a new folder, you click on New Folder and then you type in the name that you want it to be. I would advise you to make a folder for each of the modules that you're studying and maybe another folder for other stuff like admin, or maybe when you're searching for a job that you put your CVs and things into another folder. So it's up to you how you arrange your folders, but try and keep it logical so that you can always find what you want when you want it. Thank you.